pretty dark. It's bonfire night.
Go straight out.
Oh, for God's sake, Louise.
Hey, I got being in. You brought open it.
Hey, Ruby. She's lighting a sparkler. Oh, here we go. That's better. We've got one. Do some shapes, Lou.
I'll do some shapes when you start getting on camera better.
I just want to see this. You look at. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that's. Oh, baby. Yeah. Yeah.
What do you think? Oh, she's moaning.
Where's the big explosions in the sky?
Huh?
Move
Where's
away.
she looking?
Move away, Lou. Move over there. Get away. Hello. Poppy hiding at top of stairs.
Wait.
Would I? Yeah.
Ben.
What?
Ben.
Is it? Yeah, I'll come to bend.
I just spinning around like that too fast.
It's bonfire night, and I'm Wayne Lawton. Goodbye.